Hello, welcome to my channel. Today I am going to showcase breathtaking lakes in the Bavarian Alps. Enjoy it! When it comes to breathtaking lakes in the Bavarian Alps, there are several stunning options worth visiting. Here are some must-visit lakes in the region. Lake Königssee. Located in Berchtesgaden National Park, Lake Königssee is often regarded as one of the most beautiful alpine lakes in Germany. Surrounded by towering mountains, the crystal-clear turquoise waters of the lake are simply awe-inspiring. A boat tour to the iconic St. Bartholomew's Church on the eastern shore is a must. Eibsee. Situated at the base of Germany's highest mountain, the Zugspitze, Eibsee is a picturesque lake with emerald green waters. The lake offers stunning views of the surrounding peaks, and you can take a walk around its shores or rent a boat to explore its beauty up close. Walchensee. Known for its deep blue waters, Walchensee is the second largest lake in Bavaria. It is surrounded by dense forests and dramatic mountain scenery. The tranquil atmosphere and panoramic vistas make it a popular spot for swimming, sailing, and windsurfing. Plansee. Located near the town of Ried, just across the Bavarian border in Austria, Plansee is another breathtaking lake in the region. The lake is nestled between mountains, and its clear waters reflect the stunning alpine landscape. Plansee is a great place for swimming, fishing, or simply enjoying the scenic surroundings. Schliersee. Situated in the Bavarian Prealps, Schliersee is a charming lake known for its picturesque setting. Surrounded by rolling hills, forests, and traditional Bavarian villages, it offers a serene escape. You can take a leisurely walk along its shores, go boating, or hike in the nearby mountains. These lakes showcase the natural beauty of the Bavarian Alps and provide opportunities for various outdoor activities. Whether you're seeking tranquility, adventure, or stunning views, these lakes won't disappoint. Thanks for watching. Subscribe.